Trigonometric identities. Look at this figure in which triangle B equals to 90 degree, angle A is theta. So in this right angle triangle, segment AC is the hypotenuse, side BC is the side opposite to angle theta, and side AB is the adjacent side for angle theta. We have 6 trigonometric ratios of angle theta. First is sin theta equals to BC upon AC, cos theta equals to AB upon AC, tan theta equals to BC upon AB, cosec theta equals to AC upon BC, sec theta equals to AC upon AB, and cot theta equals to AB upon BC. Now, by Pythagoras theorem, we get BC square plus AB square equals to AC square. We'll number this equation as 1. If we divide both the sides of this equation by AC square, we get BC square plus AB square upon AC square equals to AC square upon AC square. Therefore, BC square upon AC square plus AB square upon AC square is equal to 1. So on the right hand side, AC square gets cancelled and we get equals to 1. Now BC square upon AC square we can also write as BC upon AC the whole square. Same way AB square upon AC square we can write as AB upon AC the whole square. Now if you look at this figure, you will come to know BC is the opposite side and AC is the hypotenuse. So BC upon AC is the sine ratio of angle theta, and therefore we write here sine theta the whole square plus cos theta the whole square is equal to 1. We can also write this sine theta the whole square as sine square theta and cos theta the whole square as cos square theta. So we get sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So this is the first trigonometric identity. Now same way, using this first trigonometric identity, that is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, we can find the remaining trigonometric identities. If you divide the first identity by sine square theta, then by dividing both the sides by sine square theta, we get sine square theta upon sine square theta plus cos square theta upon sine square theta is equal to 1 upon sine square theta. Now sine square theta and sine square theta will get cancelled and we will get 1. Same way cos theta upon sine theta is cot theta. So we get cos square theta upon sine square theta is equal to cot square theta here, and 1 upon sine is equal to cosec. Therefore we get the new identity 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Now if you divide the same identity, that is equation number 2, by cos theta, then we get sine square theta upon cos square theta plus cos square theta upon cos square theta is equal to 1 upon cos square theta. Here cos square theta and cos square theta will be cancelled and we will be left with 1. Same way sine square theta plus cos square theta becomes tan square theta and 1 upon cos square becomes sec square theta. So we get another identity 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Thus we have 3 identities. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. And the third identity is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Now further we have the trigonometric table. We have the trigonometric table of 6 trigonometric ratios: sine, cos, tan, cot, cosec and sec. And we have to remember these values only for these 5 angles. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So for all the 5 angles, first we'll see how we get the sine values. So for sine values, we have 5 angles: 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So we will consider 5 numbers starting from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And since last number is 4, we'll divide each number by 4. Now after dividing each number by 4, we will take the square root of each number. Now we will find out those values. We can see 0 upon 4 is 0 and the square root of 0 is also equals to 0. Same way, square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 4 is 2. So we get square root of 1 upon 4 equals to 1 upon 2. Here if you see the numbers 2 upon 4, you can divide 4 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are, so you will get 1 upon 2 under the square root. So square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 2 will be root 2. So we get the square root of this number as 1 upon root 2. Same way, for 60 degree angle you can see square root of 3 we cannot find, so we will write down root 3 and square root of 4 is 2. So square root of this number is root 3 upon 2. For 90 degree we get 4 upon 4, that is equal to 1 and square root of 1 is equal to 1. Thus we get all the sine values for 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Now same values we will put in the table. So we get sine 0 equals to 0, sine 30 degree is 1 upon 2, sine 45 degree is 1 upon root 2, sine 60 degree is root 3 upon 2 and sine 90 degree is equal to 1. Now cos values are exactly the reverse order of the sine values. So fifth value becomes the first, fourth value becomes second and so on. Thus we write down the cos value in the reverse order. You can see here the last value has become first, fourth value has become second, third value comes here, fourth value comes at 60 degree and the last value 0, which is the first value of sine. So this way the cos values are the reverse order of the sine values. Next we know for tan theta is sine theta upon cos theta. So we'll take the ratio of sine upon cos. We'll begin with 0 degree first. Tan 0 is sine 0 upon cos 0, that is equal to 0 upon 1, which is equal to 0. So tan 0 value we get as 0. Next we will begin with tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is sine 30 upon cos 30. So from here we will choose the values of sine 30 and cos 30 and we will substitute here. So we get 1 upon 2 divided by root 3 upon 2, which becomes 1 upon 2 multiplied by 2 upon root 3. 2 and 2 gets cancelled and the value of tan 30 we get as 1 upon root 3. So in the table we can put this value for tan 30 as 1 upon root 3. Next we'll begin with tan 45 degree, which is sine 45 upon cos 45. You can take from the table these two values of sine 45 and cos 45 and substitute. So we get 1 upon root 2 divided by 1 upon root 2. So the answer is 1. Thus we get in the table tan 45 value as 1. Next we will begin with tan 60, which is sine 60 upon cos 60. So from the table the values we can substitute: sine 60 as root 3 upon 2 upon cos 60 1 upon 2, that is equal to root 3 upon 2 multiplied by 2 upon 1, that is equal to root 3. So we get tan 60 value as root 3. Next we will begin with tan 90 degree, which is sine 90 upon cos 90. So we can substitute the values from the table: 1 upon 0. Remember, when 0 comes in the denominator, that value is not defined, and therefore in the table we write down not defined as the value of tan 90 degree. Now the cot ratios are exactly the reverse order of tan values. So the last value will be the first here, fourth value will become second, and so on. Thus we get cot 0 degree not defined, cot 30 degree root 3, cot 45 degree 1, cot 60 degree is 1 upon root 3, and cot 90 is equal to 0. Further, to find out the cosec values, we know that the cosec is reciprocal of sine. So whatever sine values we get for 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degree angles, we'll take the reciprocal of them to get the cosec values. As we know, the sine values are 0, 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 upon 2 and 1. So for cosec values, we will exactly reverse the ratio and write down 1 upon 0, 2 upon 1, root 2 upon 1, 2 upon root 3 and 1 upon 1. So we get the numbers. Since in the first ratio the denominator is 0, that number is not defined. Same way 2 upon 1 we can write as 2. Root 2 upon 1 we can write as only root 2. 2 upon root 3 will come as it is, and 1 upon 1 is same as 1. So we got the cosec values here. Same values we will substitute in the table. So we get cosec 0 not defined, cosec 30 2, cosec 45 degree root 2, cosec 60 degree 2 upon root 3, and cosec 90 degree is equal to 1. The sec values are again the reverse order of the cosec values. So exactly in the reverse order we write down the fifth value as first here, fourth value second, and so on. So we get sec 0 is equal to 1, sec 30 degree is 2 upon root 3, sec 45 degree is root 2, sec 60 degree is equal to 2, and sec 90 degree is equal to not defined. Thus, these table values you have to remember thoroughly. So use the trick and remember